Hi, today I'm going to show you the Cleanstar 3-in-1 Multivac. This bagless vacuum can be used as a flexible shoulder vac, a versatile stick vacuum and a floor buffer and polisher. This fantastic product comes with a complete range of accessories. Telescopic handle, 4 nozzles, the head, upholstery, brush and crevice tool, polishing head with hard pads, soft pads, Velcro discs, suction hose and rods. The shoulder vac is highly portable, which makes it fantastic for those hard to reach places. Your car, stairs, upholstery, curtains, even high corners. You just need to add in this extension rod and you can do the drapes and the highest of ceilings. The stick vac is really simple to assemble. All you need to do is insert the body into the head and attach the extension rod, and away you go! Cleaning the unit is as simple as taking this out, sliding this little nozzle across and straight into the bin. And don't forget to wash the filters. These are washable as well. The polisher is also really easy to use. All you need to do to start with is select whether you want the hard pad, the soft pad or the brush. At the moment we're just going to use the brush, and it's easy to take these off and replace with whatever you need. Then it's as simple as inserting the body into the head and the telescopic arm once again. And it has 2 settings. The first setting actually just polishes, and the second setting polishes and vacuums. To get it started, you need to tilt it back and away you go. The Cleanstar Multivac. Why buy 3 vacuums when you can buy just 1?